Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. My name is Elizabeth and I am going to cook with you. So I don't know what to cook. I have a bit of things in the house. I'll just see what to combine and come up with a meal. So I'm going to use potatoes. I have cabbage, I have butternut, some onions with tomatoes. I do have a beef, and then I don't know, should I do rice or but let me just for a change make a rice. So welcome to my channel and do subscribe if you like the content. I love you so much, and yeah, let's continue with the video. You guys, in every household, if you want to make your life easy, if you want to get things going and you are not disturbed by anything, you just start by doing the dishes. You just start by removing unwanted things on your way. And before I cooked, that's when I was going to do my dishes so that my life can be easy, and if I want some utensils, I can get them ready as I go. So I'll just start by doing the dishes before I can cook. There were so many that I couldn't neglect them, and the plates were almost out. I have 3 of those top ones, and the bottom ones I have 4. So that means the ones that I use regularly, there was 1 remaining. And yeah, I really needed a clean space also for me to can go up and down doing my things without being disturbed by dirty dishes. So yeah, that's how I roll. I need some dishes clean before I do anything. I haven't been cooking several colors, several dishes, several kinds of food, and yeah, I think I didn't even use the onion and the tomato. I had put them back because they were of no use on this day. And the potatoes also, I had just bought them. I haven't unpacked them from the grocery haul that you saw the other week. Yeah, I've just put them that side. But now, even this butternut that I'm going to use, guys, this butternut has been there forever. For sure, in March or before that, I was forced to just use it. And I have this meat here. I didn't know it was 2 pieces, so I had to cut it in 2 pieces. It was like that meat that I think it was that meat with a bone inside. So I removed that bone just to make a few pieces, cut them, and so that they can be divided among us equally, because we were 4, but my son is a picky eater. He doesn't eat this and that, and with this meat, it is one of them. This butternut is very old. I was surprised that it is not even yet spoiled. I think it's because it's winter, or yeah, it has survived the months that it has been there. Every time when I peel in the potatoes, it's either arrow chips or potato salad, and this time it will be potato salad. That is the thing that is always in mind when I do several kind of food, and it's gonna be potato with my nice and boiled eggs. You are gonna see the boiled eggs. I'm going to boil them together. So, and this is my son's favorite salad. He can eat half of the salad alone. So I wanted to put in parsley, but I didn't. I only sprinkled it in my plate because immediately when you put things and the color changes, my son will not eat. Trust me, he's not gonna eat. This cabbage has survived for days. It was here for I think a week. If it was in summer, it would be smelling, it would be spoiled, it would have changed the color, and it was nearly getting dry because you know cabbage is very sensitive. So never mind how I chop. That's why we say chop. We really chop. I really do measure my rice with a cup because it helps me with next time. If now I am putting 2 cups and it gets finished, then I know I need to top up my cups, or if it gets over and it's not finished, now I know how to reduce my rice from those cups. Yeah, it helps me so much. I do not eyeball my rice each time when I cook. So I have these whole green beans in brine. I already removed the water, the brine that they are talking about. So I'm gonna just fry it like that, put in some spices just to give it taste. Saving, suggesting, what. There's nothing that they're talking about here. So I'll just put it in a little bit of oil with some spices just for flavor. me see. So I'll use chicken spices, some ginger. I'll use paprika. And then Italian herb. So yeah, like I said, I don't know what to do today, so just stick around. This is the used oil and it's going to the end now. So let's fry them. The rice is rising, butternut is ready, green peas, and then the cabbage is cabbaging. So this is the meal that I cooked today. I didn't have this in mind. I just had all these ingredients together, all these items together. So I had beef, I had green beans. This one was there forever. The butternut bean soup is a leftover, and potato salad, some cabbage there with the rice. I hope I'm going to enjoy them. So yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because we cook lit food, tasty food. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.